मॉर्निंग के अंदर एक और सुबह में खुश आमदीद आप लोगों का। और ऐसा ऑन रवि मैं आपको इस तरह से दिखाता हूँ। दिस इज द मॉर्निंग एंड इट्स नॉट वेरी क्राउडेड बिकॉज ऑफ संडे। तो बस अब बच्चों को जाके उठाना है और उसके बाद ब्रेकफास्ट करने जाएंगे। क्या टाइम हो रहा है भाई? 8:10 हो रहा है। चलिए जी सरकार। गुड मॉर्निंग छोटी। हाउ आर यू? गुड। इट्स फुल इनसाइड। गुड मॉर्निंग। अस्सलाम वालेकुम। गुड मॉर्निंग बॉय। आपने कर्टन्स भी बंद नहीं किए थे? इतनी रोशनी हो रही है यहाँ पर। छोटा वेक अप। चलो जल्दी से उठ जाओ। ये कौन ड्राई कोला बना? Wake up, wake up. No need girl. I'm a Barbie girl in the Barbie world.
Fantastic.
Love you, love you, love you. Oh yeah, from hello. Yeah, 367. We are here for the breakfast. This is the last shot. अब हम लोग यहाँ से निकल रहे हैं होटल से चेकआउट करके। सारी चीज़ों को छोड़ दिए, अपना सामान वगैरह ले लिया है। मैडम इज रेडी ऑल्सो। आई होप सब चीज़ें ले ली हमने। गुड बाय। Press the button. Tell me which one will come. Whoever answered correctly, they will get 10 pounds.
I think that one.
Okay, I will select this one.
Why?
Oh, Shamifa.
No, that one, not that one.
Nobody won. Hey.
That's frozen there, huh? Sure.
ये ठीक है, मिरर के साथ सब आया।
No, now.
For checkout, we supposed to give the keys here, right?
Yes.
Okay.
Thank you so much. What is the picture?
Yeah, that's all.
Yeah. Thank you so much.
Thank you. That's all. We are going to get our car from here. Yeah, I want to get my car key.
Are you ready to explore London today?
Yeah?
Are you guys excited?
Yeah.
So what's the plan, guys?
The plan is go on the bus and then
Shami,
go
from
the-
where you got
And
this?
then go outside and then come back.
Okay. Okay. Let's buy the ticket for the bus.
Okay, I wanna.
Guys, this is the place जहाँ पर
So cool.
से हम लोग टिकट लेंगे बस के। रेड बिग बस जो होती है उसके टिकट्स लेके फिर हम लोगों ने यहाँ से टिकट के बस के टिकट्स लेने और उसके बाद फिर यहाँ से देखते हैं कि किन किन लैंडमार्क्स पर रुकना है। वी विल गो विद द फ्लो। कोई ऐसा स्पेसिफिक प्लान नहीं है, बस कोशिश करेंगे जो मेन हमारे लैंडमार्क्स हैं जिनको हम देख सकते हैं या बच्चों को जहाँ पे भी इंटरेस्ट होगा वहाँ पर रुकेंगे। शाम तक का टाइम है, पूरा दिन है हमारे
time
पास।
हो रहा है?
हाँ,
It's 11 a.m.
कहाँ देख लियो टाइम?
Big Ben.
हाँ, तो दिस इज़ द प्लेस। ऐसे बहुत सारे पॉइंट्स बने होते हैं आसपास, ये टिकट्स कहीं से भी मिल जाते हैं। Actually, we have time till evening, like 6 or 7. So, how many places we can experience?
Main attractions.
The main thing, do the red line.
Okay.
Because the blue line and the green, they are mostly for museums, and museums you spend time inside,
Yeah.
so it doesn't
Yeah.
need to do it.
Okay.
So do the red line, at least you see the most important places. So you have Aldwych, St. Paul's Cathedral, London Bridge, Tower of London, Big Ben, Buckingham Palace, Marble Arch, Piccadilly, Trafalgar, and you come back here.
Okay.
You can hop on and hop off at any stop.
Yeah.
And every 9 minutes you have a bus coming to your stop.
That's great.
Yeah. Inside the bus we will give you also the headphones for the audio. guide.
Okay.
So as you're gonna do mostly only the red line, I will give you a discount on the family ticket. So normally the family ticket is 109.
Okay.
So what I will do, if you want only the bus,
Okay.
I can give it to you for 80 instead of 109.
But we are 5. 3
Yeah, but
kids.
The last
The little one, yeah.
6 years old.
It's fine. I give
Okay.
That's great.
Oh, if
Otherwise-
you want to pay more, no problem.
No.
Yeah, she's
No
just
worries.
trying to be,
Yeah.
you know.
If you want with the boat,
Yeah.
then it will be 112 instead of 128.
Okay.
And the boat, you can take it from the Big Ben to Tower of London,
Yeah.
or from Tower of London to the Big Ben. The boat passes every 40 minutes
Okay.
from 10 o'clock to 7 o'clock. You have 1 week to do the boat. So if you cannot make it today, no problem. You can make it tomorrow or after tomorrow, whenever you want.
Okay, so can we take the boat from here to Tower of London, then we can take the bus?
Exactly.
Yeah?
Yeah. You can
And
do
then
that.
we can come back here.
Yeah, of course.
Yeah, I think
Okay.
with the boat we will experience it.
Okay. In evening, what's the best time for the boat?
The best time you can do it like right now because the sky is fine.
Okay.
And what time
in
it
the
will finish?
afternoon, I don't guarantee you will have like seat because you will have a lot of people.
Okay.
So it's better to do it in the morning.
Right
okay,
now,
but
yeah?
what's the good time to explore? I mean, experience it. If it's the evening, we will.
Yeah,
plan.
the evening, you know, if it was like during the night, I will tell you
Yeah.
yes. But 7 o'clock, it's not the night, so
Yeah.
Oh,
you
yeah.
will
In the
see
night.
the same thing.
Yeah. Okay.
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 Yeah.
Yeah, we'll do it now.
With the boat, yeah?
Yeah. So it will be 112 please for all of you.
रूट क्या है?
अभी यहाँ से हम थेम्स रिवर से वो लेंगे बोट, टावर ऑफ लंदन पे रुकेंगे, वहाँ से ये वाली रेड बस लेके
अच्छा।
हम आगे जा सकते हैं मेन
अच्छा।
लैंडमार्क्स।
तो अभी हम लोगों ने बोट में जाना है, तो उसके लिए पता कर रहे हैं कि कहाँ
सिटी
से मिल
क्रूज वो
सकती
है
कहाँ पे?
दैट साइड।
अच्छा, आ जाओ।
Daddy, on camera shot.
तो ये है ना, मेरा ख्याल में बोट का प्लेटफॉर्म ये, और ये देखो कितना रश है।
चलो चलो चलो।
So that is the place we will go for boarding. तो करने को बहुत सारी चीज़ें हैं, लेकिन we will try to save our time. जितना कम टाइम के अंदर ज़्यादा चीज़ें करेंगे उतना मज़ा आएगा।
चलो चलो मूव करो।
Because the time is very important today. So how's your experience so far? Huh? Not bad. Yes.
वेस्टमिनिस्टर स्टेशन।
Jet black crow.
काला होता है। Come, come,
All
come.
running all the way. Wow, sky is amazing today, man. Sigma boy, Sigma boy.
She decide. This one.
Okay.
इसमें क्या लिखा है पढ़ना?
Big bus size setting.
बिग बैन है और क्या है?
Tour buses. कुछ भी नहीं लिखा.
Very dirty.
Thank you guys. This is going to be one way to the Tower of London.
Okay.
Once you see the Tower of London, please get off the boat. And then there'll be another city sightseeing bus, okay?
Thank you.
When it will start from here?
So it leaves,
Lovely gate straight ahead.
should be here in
No,
about
it's a one-way ticket.
10 minutes? Okay.
leave around 12 o'clock.
You can come back with the token.
Any place here to get coffee?
Right, if you go towards the station, there's a
Or
cafe
within the
near
boat?
But there are coffees on the boat, yes.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Come.
Hello. We're going to a boat. So
What should I do?
we are going on the boat and there's some coffee from my daddy.
Okay. Then what?
And then we're gonna look at the water.
Okay.
And it's very dirty.
How?
It has dust and soil. So we have to save the water.
How?
How do we save it? By taking the dust and soil out. Hey! You're not a dog.
What you will see
Oh
with
my
this
God.
binocular?
What you're doing with this?
The London Eye, I got this binoculars and I can look inside the ocean for sharks.
So what?
Then I
Okay,
can
so we're
protect you from sharks
Okay.
from
So
eating you.
can
Bird
you
baby?
Okay.
Bird.
So
Okay.
we're going to Big Ben.
Okay.
Because
Then.
we're in London.
Then what?
And then we're going to the castle.
Castle.
Yes.
Oh my God! Don't sit on me.
Okay. We're gonna go on the castle and look for King Charles. The king of the United Kingdom. United Dog!
And
अभी हम
we
लोग
are
कहाँ
on the
से
boat.
चलेंगे?
बिग बैन से हम जाएंगे. ये रेड रूट है ना?
हाँ.
We will stop at Tower of London.
Tower of London.
दिखाओ कहाँ है Tower of London?
Yeah, this is the Tower of London.
यहाँ लंदन ब्रिज आएगा.
Tower Bridge.
ये देखें.
Yeah.
लंदन ब्रिज आएगा. अभी हम
Five.
जाएंगे.
And यहाँ पर we will take around.
टावर ऑफ लंदन पे जाएंगे.
Yeah.
ये है टावर ऑफ लंदन.
हाँ. Okay. फाइनली गाइस हम लोग बोट में आ चुके हैं और यहाँ पर तो कॉफ़ी वगैरह भी ले लिए. बच्चे पता नहीं कहाँ बैठे हैं. अच्छा आगे बैठे हैं. कॉफ़ी के लिए रुक गया था. Excuse me. Okay, okay, let's go. Let's
Thank you for my noodles.
sit, sit.
It's very hot. Onion वाले हैं. Cream and onion. I open this one. Hold it. You don't want more? Okay, give me back. बना दो.
ये लंदन आई का व्यू है बोट से. Nice and different view.
Ladies and gents, welcome on board to our few new passengers. Now that we have everybody together, we need to give you a little safety briefing. Alright, nothing to worry about, it's done purely routine. Every time we leave a pier, we have to do it. I'll point out a few things, hopefully you enjoy. Alright, I'll try and speak nice and slowly, nice and clearly. I'll point at the places of interest, hopefully you enjoy. Building to your right, the Parliament Building or
So no-
Big Ben. Alright, put your hand up if you can see Big Ben. You can't. It's a bit of a trick question. You can't see Big Ben. That's just the nickname for the bell inside the tower. Every flag in the country, apparently
Biggest
that
flag?
flag is the same size as a tennis court. That's what
Which
the
one?
politicians say. I can't see it from here if I'm honest, but I'm sure the politicians would never lie to us. would they? So, must be true.
It's the biggest flag.
Here to your right, you've got the county roof of the building, and it overlooks the river and the London Eye.
ये मैरियट होटल है.
हाँ.
Of over 70 million people have been on it since it was placed here. It was only supposed to be here for 2 years. The Charing Cross Railway, the Golden Jubilee walkways, not very busy, but they do say if you can get somebody to wave at you from the first bridge, it will bring good luck. That's what they say. So we'll try and get their attention. Did you get one? Oh, there you go. Happy people. It's a little bit busier on the other side, so you might get a few more waves if you give them a wave and a smile. Most people wave and smile. Some people completely ignore us. There you go, like a miserable person. If they don't wave back, it just means they're from London. Don't take it personally. Miserable person. If you look here to your left, you've got Cleopatra's Needle, and that's the oldest thing on our journey. It's older than London. It's said to be over 3,500 years old. The ladies of London, it was an almost entirely female workforce that built that bridge. It's the longest bridge in London, and from a distance, when the tide is quite low, look ahead of us. You get a really nice view of London. This is a forever changing skyline of London, all of the modern buildings, and then you've got St. Paul's in the same picture, one of the oldest in London. A lot of those modern buildings in the distance, the new buildings, they get built to look like something, then they get a strange nickname. Alright, so you've probably heard of a few. You've got the walkie-talkie, the scalpel, curved edge. This is an apartment complex. This building also has a nickname. This one has been called the Kardashian. This is the lowest arch. We're going to take you underneath the Blackfriars Road Bridge. This is the Blackfriars Railway Bridge now. We're going underneath. This marks roughly the halfway point between West and Tower Pier. Today, the Tate Modern. It's an art gallery. Now, it's the biggest collection of modern art in the world, apparently. It's free to go inside. If anybody likes modern art, that's the place to go. It stands 365 feet tall, 35 years of construction, and it was finished in 1710. It has a timber frame. You'll see a thatched roof. The only building in London to be allowed a thatched roof. It's illegal now. You're not allowed to build with timber and thatch. It caused the spread of the Great Fire of London, so it's been widely banned. Here to your right, it's tucked away in the corner, just behind the white containers. You'll see the red window frames. This pub is called The Anchor. It's over 400 years old, built in 1615. Ahead of us to the right, the Shard, and the building is completely finished. Alright, I know it looks unfinished at the top. It's been designed to look like a broken piece of glass. Alright, so hence the name, the Shard. Tithed inside that building was a John Harvard. So he grew up in London, he went over to America. He was one of the founders of Harvard University. If you don't believe me, this is definitely London Bridge. Alright, maybe not what you expected. People travel for thousands of miles to see that bridge.
London Bridge is falling down.
A lot of people think the bridge ahead of us, they think that's London Bridge. That bridge ahead of us is Tower Bridge. Alright, and that's the 5th London Bridge to stand there. The building that has a curved top to the roof, you can see people are walking around on the balcony. This is known as the Sky Garden. Well, I'm sure you've heard of it. There's a rooftop garden. It's 100 feet taller than the London Eye. You can see she's on her anchor chains. She's open to the public. You can see the people waving at the top from the captain's bridge. You can then walk the 9 decks all the way down to the engine rooms. There's not many places you can't go. She's a floating extension to the Imperial War Museum. She actually saw action through the Second World War. She was built in the same shipyard as the Titanic. That's Tower Pier on the left. What we prefer to do, as soon as it's safe, we will turn the boat for you. Alright? Now remember, the tide is pushing us towards that bridge. The best place for a picture of Tower Bridge. Right in the middle of the river, you get a nice picture. Bridge open, they publish their lifting schedule. It doesn't open at a certain time every day. You ring up in advance, you give them 24 hours notice, they open the bridge for you. Any one of you could have Tower Bridge open for you. It's completely free, you just give them enough notice. To find out the lifting schedule, you just look on their website, or if you type in Tower Bridge lift times, it tells you for the next month the dates and times it will open. We continue to turn, so here on your right, one last point of interest. Now when the tide is very low, look on the wall. It was originally Traders Gate, so that's where they used to load the stock into the building.
That's the end of the ship. We are near to the Tower Bridge. और यहाँ से अभी हम लोग जो है आगे जाएंगे टावर ब्रिज के पास से, थोड़ा सा वॉक करेंगे, इसको एक्सप्लोर करेंगे और देखते हैं और कौन कौन सी लोकेशन पे जा सकते हैं। चलो जल्दी करो।
विलियम द कॉन्करर।
ये कौन से कैफे हैं?
ये क्या?
कैफे है बेटा।
इट्स लाइक अ कैफे। जो तुम्हें लेना है ले लो, मुझे जो लेना है मैं ले लूँगा। I'll try this one also. Oh, and this is apricot. Yeah, one apricot also, please. One macaron, please. Which flavor? Can you please repeat the flavors? Chocolate, raspberry. Okay, pistachio. Okay. Yeah, one hot latte. Yeah, hot one. Yeah. I love these items, man. This is something with apple. This is apricot, and this is pistachio. Can you please take this to your table, please? Take them to the table. Okay. My coffee is ready. Thank you so much. Oh yeah.
ये देखिए कितना अच्छा लगा। अच्छा ये एंट्रेंस है ना उसका? टावर ऑफ लंदन।
Middle Tower. यहाँ पर आए थे ना अभी हम लोग, यहाँ से उतर के आए।
वहाँ से ली थी।
Yeah, it seems very
ये देखो
perfect.
सलार।
The tower remembrance.
Prisoners were taken upriver from the
It
west.
was like this before. Yeah. The tower remained active throughout the conflict, holding prisoners of war and offering tours for visiting soldiers. Oh my God, there is something. 80 years since the end of the
Watergate,
Second World War. Oh, look at the view from here. यहाँ से बहुत खूबसूरत लग रहा है ये टावर ब्रिज। Oh my God, this sky is making me crazy. Thank you.
Thank you. देखें डॉग।
और बड़ा। It's okay, it's okay. No problem. No problem. आज
अच्छा लग रहा है?
मौसम भी बहुत अच्छा है, फैमिली भी पूरी साथ में,
खूबसूरत
तो आज इमोशन दूसरे लेवल पे। Oh, it looks amazing also. Weather is also very perfect. किसी भी जगह को मैक्सिमम एंजॉय करने के लिए जो सारे इंग्रेडिएंट्स चाहिए होते हैं, आज वो सारे इंग्रेडिएंट्स हैं। फैमिली, गुड वेदर, गुड मूड,
कहाँ रुकेगी?
गुड लोकेशन। What else you can expect? अब यहाँ से पता नहीं कहाँ जाना है। कायनात को मैं वेट करता हूँ यहाँ पर, पता नहीं क्या चीज़ है।
पता नहीं क्यों क्या कर रही है।
वाह, वेरी नाइस व्यू। फाइनली ये गाड़ी आ गई है भाई। आधा दिन गुजारने के बाद जो है इस बस में बैठेंगे हम। अब यहाँ से कहाँ जाने का प्रोग्राम है मैडम? चलो ठीक है, बैठ के देख लेना। मेरे ख्याल में बिकिंगम पैलेस जा सकते हैं, और भी बहुत सारे लैंडमार्क्स हैं। आई होप दिस इज़ द राइट बस। चलो चलो जल्दी से ऊपर जाके बैठना है हम लोगों ने। थैंक यू थैंक यू थैंक यू। ओह या, वी आर गोइंग टू
It's like a Lamborghini. Savoy. Oh, City of London.
स्कूल है।
School.
अभी यहाँ से हम फॉलो करो कि कहाँ पे जाएंगे, ताकि फिर हम लोग जो है ना हमें पता चल सके ना कि लैंडमार्क्स के क्या क्या नाम है। लंदन आई वी सॉ अ लॉट टुडे।
यही देख रहे हैं कल से।
Because it's not bad.
Yeah, this was the place where we started, I guess, the boarding.
यहाँ से अच्छा लग रहा है।
Wow.
Whoa. And it's like flag.
Which place is this?
Buckingham Palace.
No, beta.
No, it's not.
What
It's
is it?
not become.
What's I?
Oh,
Whoa.
wow.
Whoa. We haven't been on this side.
सुनो ना क्या कह रही है?
किसको?
In recording,
हैंड फ्री लगाओ।
there is a hand free. For... Wow,
Look at it,
this
it's
building is also very.
Yeah, it's
Which church is this?
चर्च है।
Minister Abbey.
Wow. Full of architecture
Palace.
buildings.
नो बेटा, इट्स इन हाइड पार्क।
ये क्या है? Whoa.
The Westminster Abbey
Abbey.
shop. Wow, these buildings are amazing.
That's us.
स्कूल है, ब्लू कोड स्कूल। ये बड़ा फेमस स्कूल है।
Yeah.
Serval's office.
Look, this is the hotel you were at. Right?
No, it looks like that, but it's not.
लग्जरी होटल।
Victoria Memorial. Wow.
Golden.
Golden.
The King's Gallery.
Get a photo खोला हुआ।
Absolutely rocking, absolutely rolling. You in tune to the Sunday story till we got the afternoon.
London Victoria Station. Yeah, very nice. Victoria Coach Station. This is the largest one. Station of London. Okay, and which page is this? It's a very nice building. Victoria Station.
Victoria Station. Friends
This is very famous area of London, Belgravia is. Governor Gardens. This is also very famous area from residential buildings. Buckingham Palace also. We are very near to Buckingham Palace. I think that's the entrance of Hyde Park Corner. Hyde Park, amazing place. This has become more real. चलो भाई चलो, हाइड पार्क चलो। कितनी क्यूट सी कॉफी शॉप। ये पिकाडिली सर्कस है, बहुत ज़्यादा फेमस लैंडमार्क है लंदन का। सारी वीडियोस में, मूवीज़ में, एडवर्टीजमेंट में यही जगह नज़र आती होती है। मोस्ट लोग यहीं पर ही आके अपना टैलेंट भी शोकेस करते हैं। यहाँ से ऑक्सफोर्ड स्ट्रीट भी आती है बाय वॉक। वाह, ये वाली जो स्क्रीन है इसके ऊपर भी काफ़ी एडवर्टीजमेंट चल रही होती है। आप लोगों सबको सुनने में आता रहता होगा ये नाम। ये ऐसी जगह है जहाँ पे आपको दुनिया के हर नेशनैलिटी का बंदा नज़र आएगा। ओह, कैफ़े कॉन्सर्टो। ट्राई कैफ़ी कॉफ़ी फ्रॉम कैफ़े कॉन्सर्टो। इट्स लुक्स अमेजिंगली इंटरेस्टिंग। हाउ लॉन्ग इट विल टेक ब्रो? Again some sweets. I don't know what I can eat from here. Let me see. बच्चों क्या कर रहे हो? चलो. What you guys are doing? So guys, finally we are at Piccadilly Circus. ये Piccadilly Circus है जहाँ पे जो भी लंदन में आता है उसके लिए फर्ज है इस पॉइंट पे आना।
Okay, so this next song I'm going to do.
पिकेडिली सर्कस और ये रिक्शा, लंदन रिक्शा। And this is stop. And this chocolate shop is compulsory. चलो देखते हैं इस शॉप में क्या है। बच्चे तो आ गए यहाँ पर। हेलो। हाँ, some rituals are going on here. Some rituals for Sikh community. Yeah, this is some rituals going on for Sikh community. Wow.
Russian speakers in the Ukrainian village. Well, there's so many Russian speakers.
Voice of Ukraine. This is some protest going on. Yeah, some protest from Ukraine people.
It's funny that how these people are still.
वाह, अब हम अपने इस लास्ट स्पॉट पे पहुंचने वाले हैं। रेड बस का टूर हमारा ख़त्म हो रहा है। तो ये वेस्टमिनिस्टर ब्रिज का जो स्पॉट है, लास्ट स्टॉप, वहाँ पर हम लोग उतरेंगे। तो घूम फिर के पूरे लंदन का चक्कर लगा के अब हम वापस अपने होटल जा रहे हैं। वहाँ से अपनी गाड़ी लेके फिर हम लोग जाएंगे। ओवरऑल ट्रिप वॉज अमेजिंग। येस्टरडे वी स्टार्टेड फ्रॉम द सेम लोकेशन और काफ़ी एक्साइटिंग रहा, काफ़ी एक्सपीरियंसेस किए। ज़्यादातर जगहों पे रुक नहीं पाए क्योंकि ये रिक्शास का टाइम है। वाह this is the point. We started from here yesterday and we are ending here. So that's the end of Red Bus. Thank you. There we go. We started from here yesterday and we are ending here today.
Turn left, then stay to the right.
तो अभी हम लोग थोड़ी देर के लिए यहाँ पर नाइट ब्रिज स्ट्रीट पे रुके हैं। यहाँ पर बहुत सारे शॉपिंग ऑप्शंस भी हैं और डाइनिंग ऑप्शंस भी हैं। तो देखते हैं कि क्या कैसा रहता है। हैरिट्स का ये बहुत बड़ा, आई थिंक दिस इज़ द वन ऑफ द वर्ल्ड मोस्ट बिगेस्ट आउटलेट फॉर हैरिट्स। आई रियली लाइक दिस डिपार्टमेंटल स्टोर। ये बहुत अच्छी लोकेशन है। अगर आप लंदन में आके एक अच्छी नस्ल की जो है चीज़ें लेना चाहते हैं तो दिस इज़ द राइट प्लेस। दिस इज लंदन बेबी। दिस इज अ टर्किश स्वीट। आई लव दिस स्वीट। They are very famous in their baklava. Wow, what an outlet. I never knew about they opened this outlet here. Wow. Yeah. Wow, Haji Mustafa, the best baklava in the whole world. जब भी मैं टर्की जाता हूँ इनका बकलावा ज़रूर खाता हूँ। This is something you must try. ज़रूर बनाना, ज़रूर खाना है इसको, ज़रूर खाना है। अभी वैसे खाने का मूड तो नहीं था लेकिन अब नज़र आ गया तो इसको खाए बगैर अब जा नहीं सकते। इट्स नॉट हेल्दी टू लीव हाजी मुस्तफ़ा अनटच्ड। हाजी मुस्तफ़ा who is the founder of this brand. This is the queue guys. If we wanna go to Haji Mustafa, so we have to be in the queue. ये पूरी लाइन लगी हुई है इस रेस्टोरेंट में खाने के लिए, तो बड़ा मुश्किल है। Look at this building. Just in front of Harrods, Haji Mustafa. You know, I was not aware about this. It's amazing. Sweets, coffee, Turkish tea, whatever you like from Turkey, this is the best place to try. बस अभी हम लोग नाइट ब्रिज स्ट्रीट से होते हुए अभी बस गाड़ी की तरफ वापस जा रहे हैं। हमने कुछ हाफिज साहब से इनके बकलावा वगैरह ले लिया बिकॉज आई रियली लव इट। तो घर पे जाके खाएंगे क्योंकि क्यू इतनी लंबी थी। अगर यहाँ पर खाने बैठते तो बहुत टाइम लग जाता, तो दैट्स व्हाई वी जस्ट। तो बस यहाँ से कोई कॉफ़ी वगैरह ले लेंगे ज़्यादा और फिर निकलते हैं घर की तरफ। बच्चों ने कल स्कूल भी जाना है तो इसकी वजह से इट्स बेटर नॉट टू स्टॉप हियर। ही इज सेइंग ही वांना गो टू दिस प्लेस। लेट्स सी, लेट मी आस्क देम how long they take.
Sorry.
Hello. How long it takes inside? About an hour, right? And if we just send the kids inside, 1 adult also. 1 hour.
3 kids and
1 hour we have 1 hour? That is the first question.
Zoo 20 minutes.
हाँ
Zoo 20 minutes.
बोलो, मुझे तो कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है, मैं तो पूरी रात यहाँ पर रुक सकता हूँ। सो यहाँ पर अभी काफ़ी टाइम लगना था, तो अभी हम लोग नहीं रुके हैं यहाँ पर पैराडॉक्स म्यूजियम में। इंशाल्लाह वी विल कम नेक्स्ट टाइम।